This is exactly how to fix your Xiaomi Earbuds app not working. So what you need to do firstly is to close the app and instead go to the settings app on your phone. And then scroll all the way down in here until you can see apps. And now on apps, click on search apps here and then search for the Xiaomi Earbuds app right here and just click on it. Now what you need to do is to make sure that the wireless data right here is set to VLAN or mobile data right here, as you can see. And that is the one setting that we need to change in here. And then we need to go back to this page here and make sure that the Bluetooth here is also turned on, just so you know. Now what you need to do if you have an iPhone is to go to the App Store if you have an iPhone, or Google Play Store if you have an Android. And in here click on search and then search for the Xiaomi Earbuds app here, as you can see. Then click on the app and see if you have a blue button in here where it says update. If it says update for you, you need to click on it here to be able to update to its latest version. So do this and hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.